Morning, folks. Out here in the shop today. I'm just started draining the oil on the 300. Matt stopped by to point and laugh basically while I worked. We're going to start taking some of the external stuff off the engine, get it cleaned up, flip it over, pull the oil pan, and I want to inspect my bottom end. I'm curious if this engine is has got a forged crank, forged pistons. So that's what we're working on right now. I don't know how far we're going to go today, but I want to get at least that much done. So I built me a little stand for my oil pan to sit on. And it's just clamped to the bottom beam of that engine stand. And I know I got wood blocks holding my engine up, but I don't like it hanging on there. Matt pointed it out to me that he didn't like it hanging, and I got to looking at it and I agree with him. I want to build me a little adjustable stand for the front that can hold the weight of the engine. I'll have to take a piece of 5/8 square tubing to go into here, come up, well being upright, and probably have a little jack bolt on the end, but at least it can kind of hold the front of the engine up, so it's not just hanging on the back casting here.
That'd be cool.
Yeah. Well, that looks like it's it.
Yeah, start tearing it down.
Yeah.
Not much to it.
Yeah.
Just the old motor.
Yeah, that's true.
The scribbler.
Yep, distribulator.
The fuel make it happen.
Go ahead and pull off these sparkulators. Looky there, looky there. Vacuum line. And that's gonna be, what is it, a 3/8, I think? Or a half.
Oh yeah, they make a special wrench for that.
Yeah. You have one, or you had one.
I have one. I sure do.
Might be easier to pull the fuel pump off first, huh?
Well, I mean, you can do it that way too.
Yeah.
That's up to you.
My circus, huh?
This is your circus. Your barrel of monkeys.
There you go. Here, I'll show you what I pulled off. Let's bring them over here while I work on this side. So, right here, you got my light. On the side of the distributor is that little bolt. And then, it looks like there is a set screw right there. Like it was set screwed into much.
Ooh. Ooh.
Why is it so tight?
It's been in there for 47 years.
Yeah.
Probably almost literally.
Cool.
Get you a pair of pliers and grab it on the shaft. And
Yeah. There we go. There we go.
This should
Pulled right out, yeah.
Oh, yeah, look at you.
There we go. Go. Yeah, it's a little gunky.
It's just old. Oh, wait.
You're right. All right. 2 bolts there. Just gonna go ahead and drop the motor man out the way. Yeah.
I'd turn it the other way. There.
Lefty tighty, righty loosey.
Yeah, whichever.
I mean, I can get it off. I keep turning it that much.
If you turn it to the right enough,
It will come off
it'll come on off of it.
in pieces, but. So if anyone's wondering why I got a bucket full of batteries over here, I had brought them all in the house because we've had some freezing temperatures. So I brought them out today to work on it, and we're supposed to have freezing temperatures again. Tomorrow? Day after tomorrow?
Yeah, something like that. We're actually supposed to get a snowpocalypse.
Yeah. Which means, like,
So Louisiana gets snow very rarely. And we're supposed to actually get some here in the next couple of days.
yeah, so
The
like,
kids are excited. The grown-ups are
not.
Yeah, that's how it goes.
Yeah, a ½ inch of snow here is shutting the world down. All right, that's been off before.
Oh yeah, I'm sure all of this has been off.
I don't know. I don't think a distributor ever has.
Well, man, I can tell you your front cover's been off.
Go ahead and loosen this little hose up some. Come on off there. Oh yeah.
Good.
Done.
That thing mint.
Get that over there out the way. What's next? That bolt there ain't there.
It broke off?
Looks like it.
Well, good. You get the
I get to easy that out.
yeah.
Easy outs, which is the most improperly named tool I've ever met. Oh, it ain't broke off. It just wasn't there.
It ain't even been there.
It just weren't there. Go look at the
Oh yeah. I mean, it's good stuff.
top of the notch. All right. Must have been for oil pressure, huh?
Yeah,
Looks like it.
probably for oil pressure.
And they just capped it off.
I mean, you don't need a gauge on these 300s.
Yeah.
They'll run with, 2 psi.
They'll run with, yeah, no PSI. Oh, that's a stud. Or a stud bolt. Neato Cheeto. All right. What else? What else? I think it's going to be 13/16. That'd be the one. Let's see what them look like, Matthew.
How bad is it?
There's number 6.
It's not horrible.
It's not terrible. Number 5 actually looks better than 6 did. Four. 3's a little dirty. Not bad though. 2. And 1. Cool.
Well, that gives you hope.
That does give me hope. They all look pretty good.
Unless he changed them and it still wasn't running right, so he set the truck up.
That could be, yeah. I don't know. They look like they've been run some.
They look like they've been running some. It'd be all right. You can't kill these old 300s.
No. I drove.
Pull that out.
Oh, okay. Well,
Just pull that.
I drove one from Lake.
Whoa.
Ooh, crap.
That was about my toe there, buddy.
It's just sitting on there, yeah. And there's two of them, so if one falls, the other one's holding the weight. I drove one from Lake Charles, Louisiana to Natchitoches, Louisiana when I was young and dumb. And I got to almost to the house when the lifter started tapping. I would have hit, I had like a half mile of the house. I would have hit back to the house. Sucker was 4 quarts low oil.
Good grief.
Yeah. Filled it back up with oil, put another 150,000 miles on it. Never bothered it. All right, folks. Sorry about that. The camera overheated. But I just finished pulling off the exhaust manifold and intake manifold. And I pulled off the alternator. Now I'm about to pull off the water pump. Oh, you got it?
I don't know.
Looks like it. Down there. Take this here wood block and give her a little love tap. Let's put them in there. There we go. Water pump is removed.
Sweet. Here.
It came out. Good.
Here's a big one.
Yep, big washer's good. Here, let's turn this thing around so we can see what we're doing.
Let me try this one.
Okay. I guess I can go ahead and take this thing here off. There we go. That's out the way.
You gonna turn the motor around?
Yeah, I'm gonna turn it around with the camera and see what we're doing.
You can set the thing in the jar.
Well, I'm trying to keep it in the shade so it don't overheat again.
Oh.
All right.
Now, I don't know if this is gonna,
If it's gonna get it.
if it's gonna work or not.
Yeah.
Is the problem. You're gonna have to hold up.
Yeah. Ta-da! All right. Now then, grab that thing. Half inch. Is there a tab I can tap on? If you get me a screwdriver. Screwdriver. There we go. Wait a minute, look at my light. Where the heck is my light? It's right here somewhere. Oh, it's in there.
Looking for.
I'm looking for that metal timing gear.
What does that mean?
Industrial motor.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Get a magnet?
Oh, well, I don't know if it's aluminum or I don't know.
It don't sound like metal.
It sure don't. And that might not be. Dang it. It might be phenolic. Dadgummit. Oh well. Still a tough motor, but it would have been cool if it was the metal timing gear. All right, you ready to roll this sucker over?
I'd pop the head first.
You reckon?
Yeah, because then you ain't gonna have freaking 150 pounds of head sitting there.
Yeah, okay. Let's see. What size are these valve cover bolts? That size. So most, not all of your industrial motors came with a metal timing gear. But again, in this time period, Ford was making the industrial motors and the truck motors at the same time. And on the assembly line, if they needed to swap out some parts, they would.
Dirty, dude.
No, it doesn't look bad.
It doesn't look bad at all. Did you get that finger?
Yeah, it's all right. Just squishing my fingers off. It's not a big deal. I don't need them extra fingers. Now my back's bad and your arm's bad. We gotta lift this heavy head off of here.
What? You got a mouse in your pocket? What you mean?
Yeah. Someone, it's gotta come off. Oh look, there's
A June bug.
a June bug.
In January.
Well, he's pretty dead. I bet he's been there since
he's
June.
Been there for a while.
He might have been there since June of '72.
Yeah.
Now I can spin her off. You got a mouse in your pocket. You got a lot of help, Matthew.
Now you want to keep them suckers in order, so you get something to keep them in order with.
Yeah. Let's see. Another one of them. Ah, it's filthy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How about that? For a straight 6, this is a great build box. Now, I'm going to take this silver Sharpie and write a 1 on one end of this thing, and then we won't be able to get it confused.
Oh, I'm sure we can get it confused.
Well, okay. All right. All right. All right, we're free. There's a Hade. There's a little bit of surface rust right there, but I mean like a tiny bit. There's a little bit there. You want to roll it over? What? You gonna snatch it? Okay. Yeah. Something hard right there.
It's tight, yeah. You got.
Schmutz at the top.
Hang on.
What?
You've got cylinder wall issues. I mean, they're not bad. They can probably be cut out, but
Yeah. All right.
you know what I bet it is?
Hmm.
I bet it's on the bottom side of your bore.
Oh, might be. Might be nothing we can do to it. Roll it over, huh?
Because all these come up. And
Yeah, they
down
slide good.
Pretty good. Like, you can see these two are coming up and down,
Yep.
so you know it's not there. And then watch your other one. Oh.
What?
Okay. And then see these. I bet you it's the bottom of your bore here.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So the motor's got to come all the way apart.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. You reckon?
Probably.
Water and oil. Yeah. Nice. Now, before we do this, we need to talk about it for 17 minutes. Yeah, there's a little sludge in there. Yeah. Yeah. Sludgy. I'm not. That ain't terrible, actually. I've seen worse.
Oh yeah.
Rust on the bottom?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, rust on the bottom. There's your problem. Well, that's all right. You're gonna do the bolts, knock the pistons out,
Yep.
and then skate around the boys. Yep, same thing on this one. Pretty good amount of rust.
You can see it's where the apron was sitting. Yep.
Oh yeah.
And that's cast.
Yep.
Well, darn.
So you need to. Let me see it.
Go and pull the oil pump, huh?
Yeah, pull the oil pump and then your rods. Look at your rod bearings, see how bad they are.
All right.
You pull the oil pump first.
Oh, yeah. Is it the same? No, of course it's not. Is it that one? It's that one.
Rust was.
Yeah.
Oh,
What?
that's why.
Oh. You killing my hammer? It's all right. That hammer handle needs to be changed anyway.
Oh, look at there.
Look at there.
We just changed these two pistons. We're good.
Heck, I might be able to clean them cylinder walls and be good. Good bit of rust on that bottom end.
Yeah.
Are you going to pull some rod caps and look at them?
Well, do you want to pull the rest of the pistons out?
May as well. Heck with it.
I mean,
Yeah, let's get them out of there. There was water in there.
yep.
Don't look terrible.
Can't feel nothing.
Can't get a fingernail on it. Yeah. All right, so this is number one. Come on, baby. Ooh, there's some wear on that rear main. Good job, Barrett. Oh yeah, it's gonna get us a set of burns for sure. 2. I keep doing that. Why you let me throw my bolts on the floor, Matt?
You having fun. I just figured that.
I mean, again, not terrible, but there's definitely some wear. Yep. Just getting a new set of bearings. That's all there is to it. One, 2,
Yeah, hold both of them.
3. Yeah, that'd be smart, wouldn't it? 4.
That's your thrust bearing there.
Yeah.
See how it's big.
Uh-huh.
The rest sides don't look bad.
You got a little bit of right there.
Let me see.
Oh, that's a dovetail, I think. Yep, that's a dovetail. Hey.
Oh, yeah. Is it what? Oh, whoa. Let me look at that. Turn it back over.
That's like a 3-piece bearing.
What?
Yep.
That's crazy.
How about that? Yeah, look, 1, 2, 3.
Dang. All right.
Interesting. Number 5. Number 6. I was watching Vice Grip Garage. Derek was working on that truck, on that white Ford giveaway, and he had 306 sitting on the ground, and he bolted this to it, and picked it up, walked over, and stuck it in the. He just hugged it like that, walked up, shoot, and stuck it in here. I was looking at that like, no, sir, not me.
All right. I'd shake your hand, but mine's
Yeah.
kind of clean.
All right, brother, I appreciate it.
See you guys later.
Well, I guess that's about it for today. I'm going to go and talk to the fellow at the machine shop and see who's going to charge me to get this thing in there and hone her out. Anyhow, we love you guys. God bless, and thanks for watching.